Pero broken up by Ray Evangelista. Forward to Rodney sa... Uy, final ni Jun Reyes.
Uy, pumasok.
Uy, tinawagan pa ng advantage Palmero.
Yes.
Deliberate. At sabi ni Rodney Santos, halika pa rito. Oh, si Ruel Gomez naman, nagkabangka sila ng Rodney.
Pero right idea.
Wop. Dito pa ba rin ni Rodney Santos? Yes!
He's also trying to prove something that they can win without Alvin.
Ang ganda naman ng give and go. Johnny Abareta sama misses the shot. Dito pa ba rin ng front court. Purefoods by 15. This is the biggest lead in the game. Jericho Dillera spotted open by Dito Povaren. And there is Bedlam here at the Araneta Coliseum. Santos against Ruel Gomez. Santos puts it up. Wala. Jericho Dillera para sa offensive rebound. Off the glass. Yes! Jericho Dillera. Bong Hawkins dinabas kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos sumaksak sa loob. Wala. Cordillera para sa rebound. Forward na naman kay Rodney Santos. Nandiyan si Carriazo. Pero ito si Rivera. Dalawang isip.
Yeah.
Ang ating labanan. At umiinit po ng gusto ang kapaligiran dahil po sa excitement na nangyayari dito po sa larong ito. Kanina po, umabante ng 13 puntos ang Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. Ngunit medyo nakahabol itong Alaska Milk at ngayon, nabawasan nila yung kalamangan na yan. 6 na puntos na lamang sa ating pag-uumpisa ng second quarter. It is now 27 for Pure Foods, 21 for Alaska Milk. At kapapasok lang po nitong si Rodney Santos sa lineup ng Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. Samantalang si Edmund Reyes po nasa ibabaw, binigay kay Bong Ravena. Ravena against Bong Hawkins, binalik kay Edmund. Reyes can't get it inside the Jericho Dillera. Just 3 seconds on the shot clock. Dito po rin, pinasa pa. Ay, inabutan. Hindi yata nila alam. Nauubos na yung kanilang oras. Ang dami pa sa kanun.
Either that or talagang matindi yung depensa ng Alaska. Incidentally, etong Pure Foods scoring 27 points in the first quarter. That's a rare feat on the part of the Hotdogs because dito sa finals, ang average nila sa first quarter, only 17 points. Kanya mukhang nag-step up ang offensive game ng Hotdogs in this game 3.
Oh, that was a dangerous pass by Paul Schmidt pero lumusot kay Bong Hawkins. At takbo na naman ni Kevin Ramos sa ilalim. Ito si Ramos, meron na rin 6 na puntos para sa Alaska Milk and it's down to a 4-point lead by Pure Foods at 27-23.
Well, medyo mahina ang weak side defense, particularly
Oh.
down low by Pure Foods, and that's because Alvin Patrimonio is not there to take care of the defense.
Meanwhile, Edmund Reyes gets a lick in as he scores from underneath. Ito, medyo mag-press na naman ang Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs.
Well, alam natin, Pure Foods is heavily reliant on Alvin Patrimonio and Jericho Dillera at low post. Kung may magdadrive sa low post ng Alaska, it's either Jericho Dillera or Alvin Patrimonio taking care of
Oh,
business.
ganda!
Golden
Yes,
hit.
that will count. That will
Yes.
count. Ganda ng pasahan ni Rodney Santos at ni Bong Ravena.
Magandang execution.
Kapwa parehong magaling huyan sa fast break play. Either one of them could have delivered the telling blow in that particular sequence. Walo na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods, 31-23. Abarientos!
And that was just the first
Ito na
attempt
naman.
of Johnny Abarientos.
Whoop, whoop!
Wala sa kanya. Yes,
Sumobra.
wala sa kanya yung bola.
Sumobra po yung pasa. Score stands at 31-25. 6-point lead by Pure Foods with 9 minutes and 58 seconds remaining in the second period.
Take a look at the first quarter stats. Pure Foods shooting a hot 65%. Also out-assisting Alaska 10-6, showing better teamwork.
Samantala naman, yung pasang yun dumaan sa kamay ni Kevin Ramos. And they turn it over again. Narito si Jericho Dillera, munting maagawan. Dalabas kay Dito Pumaren. Pumaren. Spots to the outside. Jumper by Pumaren is good.
Nandiyan pa rin yung interior defense ng Alaska. No doubt about it. Maganda pa rin ang interior defense ng Alaska. But the reason why Pure Foods is ahead, two factors. Number one, maganda ang kanilang outside shooting, which negates the interior defense of Alaska. Pangalawa, they've been able to step up the pace. They've been able to score in transition, kanya yung interior defense of Alaska is not able to set up.
Among Hawkins just made good screen of the defense of Reyes, Edmund Reyes, and scores inside. At hindi po makalayo itong mga Pure Foods. Bagamat kanina pa sila lumalabang. May illegal defense. ay kanina po sinubok nilang mag-breakaway kumbaga sa cycling. Pero inabot din sila ng Alaska Milk. They led by 13 points sometime in the first period. Pero inabutan sila ng Alaska Milk. Dito Pumara, binabatay ni Johnny Abarientos. He goes low to Jericho Daniera against Ramas. Tatawagan ng foul ni referee Ernie De Leon si Kevin Ramas. Medyo nagrereklamo si Ramas. Sabi niya, ref, nakatayo lang ako doon, umaatras siya.
Well, kanina pinanggit natin that Pure Foods has been able to pick up the pace. Tsaka nakakascore sila sa fast break. The reason is nakokontrol din na yung defensive boards. Kanya naman dito si Coach Tim Cone. He's got a 3 big forward combination on the floor. And we're talking of Wino, Hawkins, at saka si Ramas.
Well,
Tatlong malalaki.
Speaking of Ramas, napakaganda nung sapal niya ngayon kay Jericho Daniera. And Jerry acknowledges it. Medyo tumango si Jerry at tumingin. Oh! Alley-oop pass pero hindi pumasok. Yung tira ni Rodney Santos. It's got a 6-point lead by Pure Foods at 33-27. Johnny Abarientos versus Dean De Pumaran. Abarientos. Nalabas kay Hilio. Here's Carriazo. Hawkins. Botik na agawan ni Rodney Santos pero nasipa po na malabas ang bola. Papasok for the first time. Chris Bolado.
Isa pang malaki coming in for Alaska. Baka between Bolado and Ramas. Ilang pounds kaya yan?
Marami. Hindi kasa doon sa aking weighing scale.
500 pounds na siguro, no? Ha? Hindi naman.
Oops. Rodney Santos gets it back. Nalabas kay Edmund Reyes. Here's Dito Pumaran sa rigirap. Pumaran. Ito si Jericho Daniera. Iniwanan si Chris Bolado. At medyo humingi po ng tawad si Chris Bolado sa kanyang coach. Sabi niya, coach kasi kapapasok ko lang.
Pero right idea.
Wop! Dito Pumaran ang Rodney Santos! Yes!
Nice trap defense. Carriazo losing the handle. Nice double team. Yan ang tinatawag natin na trap.
Okay, meron po tayong timeout. Kumusta po kayo muli mga kaibigan? Mula po rito sa Araneta Coliseum. Ito po ang Game 3 ng labanan ng Alaska Milk at the Pure Foods PJ Hot Dogs. At lamang po ang Pure Foods ng 10. Kata-timeout lang na maaga. Ni Tim Cone with 7:38 remaining. At si Chris Bolado na sa hey! Pinagpalikot na niya. Pero yung pasa niya napunta kay Hawkins. Pero nabitawan naman sa baseline. Big block.
Kanina nakita natin yung half-court trap ng Pure Foods. Rewarding the Hot Dogs with a steal and a basket. Kanya in the last offensive of Alaska. Hawkins na naman ang nagdadala ng bola to be able to break that trap.
Batala si Bog Ravena, inabot kay Rodney Santos, binigay kay Dean De Pumaran. Maganda pasahan ng Pure Foods, pero meron traveling violation. 37-27, 10 puntos po ang abante ng Pure Foods over Alaska. 7 minutes and 14 seconds to go here in the second period. Kong Hawkins nilabas kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos sumaksak sa loob. Wala. Cordillera para sa rebound. Forward naman kay Rodney Santos. Nandiyan si Carriazo. Pero ito si Ravena. Dalawang isip.
Yes. Another turnover. Ravena very tentative in his offensive moves. A 2-on-1 situation. Sinayang ni Bong Ravena. He dribbled the ball. Natakot yata siya kay Chris Bolado coming in from behind.
37-27, 10 pa rin ang abante ng Pure Foods. That's very uncharacteristic of Bong Ravena. Last to loss and misses. Ravena. Itapik niya, napunta kay Carriazo at Carriazo scored underneath. At balik na naman, baba na naman sa 8. Ang abante ng Pure Foods, 37-29. Edmund Reyes. Pumaran. Tumabas si Jericho Daniera. Hindi makasaksak sa loob. Illegal D ang tatawagin si kay Chris Bolado.
Well, kanina nakita natin Jericho Daniera driving on Chris Bolado using his quickness and of course Bolado's lack of mobility to score. Kanya tuloy nagkaroon ng switch. Coach Tim Cone recognizing nagkakaroon ng mismatch. May technical free throw now din the Pumaran going for the charity. on that illegal defense violation on Bolado.
Well, that's the 6th point of Dindo Pumaren dito po sa larong ito. And he puts Pure Foods on top again by 9 points.
Well, we were talking about the mismatch Codinera on Bolado. Kanya ngayon si Bong Hawkins na ang gumagwardya kay Jerry Codinera.
Samantala,
Magaganda mga adjustments ng
Oo.
coaches eh.
samantala si Jun Reyes naman. Oh! Pinalpal ni Carriazo si Rodney Santos para nakuha ni Dindo Pumaren. Edmund Reyes. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Long jumper by Edmund Reyes. Medyo nakangiti talaga ito si Edmund Reyes.
Hindi akalain yun.
Oh, pati si team ko, natawa eh. Nangiti rin si team ko. Sabi niya, well, wala tayong magagawa ron.
Si Bolado yata ang hindi natuwa nun because he was the guard and he didn't challenge that shot.
11 ang abante ng Pure Foods. Pasa ni Jun Reyes, lumabas. Jun Reyes po, kapapasok lamang dito para kay Johnny Abarentos. Meron silang 10 seconds on their shot clock.
This is a fiery combination that Coach Chot Reyes has on the
Oh.
floor. And you notice that with Alvin Patrimonio not there, hindi na predictable ang opensa ng Pure Foods. Kasi kung nandiyan si Patrimonio, halos sa kanya napupunta ang bola 80% of the time. Ngayon, the players have to fend for themselves. Alam nila, wala si Alvin. Kanya, they have to rotate the ball to make sure that the best possible shot is taken. Nandyan si Alvin Patrimonio enjoying the game from the sidelines.
Oo, medyo yung mga fans dito nakikipagbiruan dun sa mga players at sa mga referees. Samantala, medyo masyado madikit yung pagbabantay ni Edmund Reyes kay Jolas. Second personal foul on Edmund Reyes. Only the first team foul for Pure Foods here in the second period. Pareho sila ng Alaska, tigisa ng team foul with 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jun Reyes binigay kay Jolas. Uy! Medyo miscommunication yun.
Feeling the pressure. 8 players from Pure Foods already score in this game. Alaska, just 6.
5 minutes and 34 to go, second period. Dindo Pumaren binabantay ni Jun Reyes. Pumaren umaatras kay Jun Reyes. Pinukon sa labas kay Jerry. Masyado malakas. Edmund Reyes at taping ang bola pero nakuha ni Carriazo. Ito maganda dito kay Carriazo. Kanina pa ito ika nga namumulot eh. Chris Bulado sa ilalim. Yes! Master na yan ni Chris Bulado, mga kaibigan.
Well, katawan na ang ginamit ni Chris Balado.
Oo.
He certainly knows how to use his bulk.
40-31. A 9-point lead by Pure Foods here in the second quarter. Rodney Santos ilabas kay Dindo Pumaren. Jerry humihingi ng paso pero masyado delikado. Sabi ni Dindo, dinigay kay Bong Ravena. Down low to Jerry Codinera. Turnaround jumper with 4 seconds on the shot clock. Pasok off the glass. Jerry Codinera now with 6 points for the Pure Foods cause. At abante na naman ng 11 puntos ang TJ Hot Dogs. Lastimosa. Hawkins versus Codinera. Hawkins stood on the outside. Sumaksak sa loob. Pumito sa referee by Ledesma. Sandali lang. Merong foul on Bong Ravena. That'll be his second personal. Samantala, babalik naman si Glenn Capasio para kay Bong Ravena. If you will recall, if you joined us early, Glenn Capasio was part of the starting unit and he scored 8 points in the first quarter. Reyes, nag-alangan. Lumapit ng konti, yes!
And Reyes, of course,
42-33.
providing quality minutes every
Oo.
time he checks in.
Totoo yan.
You know, he makes a big difference two ways. Number one, he contributes while he's on the floor. Number two, he gives Johnny Abarrientos needed rest on the
Yes.
bench.
Samantala, another illegal defense call. Pangatlo na ito. Si Jeffrey Carriazo naman na nakita ngayon. At another technical free throw para sa Pure Foods at si Capasio na raw titira.
Very balanced on scoring ng Pure Foods. And Capasio aiming. Wala.
Kubalog. Samantala, si Ruel Gomez po papasok para sa Alaska sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa laro ito. Para naman kay Jeffrey Carriazo who gets his first rest of the ball game. Edmund Reyes. Lamang sila ng Sham. We're talking about the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Isolation play. Rodney Santos against Ruel Gomez. Santos puts it up. Wala. Jerry Codinera para sa offensive rebound. Off the glass. Yes! Jerry Cordillera. Balik na naman sa double figures ang abante ng Pure Foods, 44-33. Meron pa tayo 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in the second period. June Reyes. Chris Bolado, balik kay Reyes. Uy, ang ganda sana. Hawkins, yes! Maganda itong laban ng ito kinito.
Well, hustle play na naman ng Alaska. Bong Hawkins going up for the offensive rebound.
Here's Glenn Capasio. Tinapik ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Well, Ed, although Pure Foods is ahead by 9 points, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na kontrolado nila ang tempo.
Oo.
Bumabalik itong Alaska.
At saka merong magagandang ginagawa ang Alaska. Hindi sila nararattle dito sa bulusok ng Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. They've been in this situation before in Game 2. Alaska was down by 9 in the first quarter. Pero lumamang sila by 2 at the end of the second period. Malayo-malayo pa po ito. Samantala, si Dindo Pumaren, nakita si Rodney Santos. Inikutan ni Rodney Santos ang depensa ng Alaska. Rodney Santos already with 4 points in this ball game. Dito lahat sa second quarter po yan. To go with his 4 points, he picks up a foul. First personal foul ni Rodney Santos. At meron po tayo 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the second period. We have this timeout. Kumusta po kayo? Saan man kayong sulok ng Pilipinas nanonood o kahit sa labas ng Pilipinas? Ito po ang ating Game 3 ng All-Filipino Cup Finals para sa 1996 between Alaska Milk at the Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. Ang inyo pong mga katoto at kaibigan dito po sa Vintage Panel. Ako po si Ed Pigson, kasama naman si Kinito Henson. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang ng siyam ang Pure Foods TJ Hotdogs. May mga bagong player na pumasok. Merwin Castelo para sa Alaska. Ray Evangelista naman bumalik para sa Pure Foods. Coach Wilio at Dindo Pumaren nag-agawan sa rebound. At si Dindo alam na kaagad na siyang tatawagan ng foul.
Both teams still not in the penalty.
Yes.
Pure Foods only 14 fouls.
At
Alaska dalawa.
meron na lang tayong 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the second period. June Reyes binigyan ng pick ni Poch Winio. There's a switch. Winio, ang kalaban si Pumaren lamang pero pinasa niya sa labas kay Romel Gomez. Bumalik pero hindi pumasok. Winio, hindi pa rin pumasok. Ray Evangelista and Merwin Castelo fighting for the loose ball. It goes out of bounds in favor of Alaska Milk.
Well, ito si Ray Evangelista. Alam natin na medyo may karamdaman. Meron siyang t-shirt, no? Nakikita natin.
Sa ilalim ng kanyang
that's a sign that he's
uniform. Under the weather.
Under the weather a little bit.
Merwin Castelo, broken up by Ray Evangelista. Forward to Rodney sa... Uy, final ni June Reyes.
Oy, pumasok.
Uy! Tinawagan pa ng advantage Palmero.
Yes.
Deliberate. At sabi ni Rodney Santos, halika pa rito. Si Ruel Gomez naman, nagkabangka sila ng Rodney. Sabi ni Ruel, ano yun?
Well,
Sabi
duty
naman ni
foul.
Rodney, wala yun. Ito. Sabi ni Rodney, sige pa, lumapit na pa.
Tremendous body control on Rodney Santos. Nakita natin, halos inaakap na ni June Reyes ito si Rodney Santos. And still he was able to take off for that layup.
At Kinito, ang tawag doon, deliberate foul. Kanya pinaupo kaagad si June Reyes as per the PBA rules. Talagang ikangat, punong-puno ng intensity itong si Rodney Santos. Kitang-kita natin. At bibigyan pa siya ng free throw. Lumabas. Ganun pa man. Kanila pa ang bola. 13 puntos na po ang abante ng Pure Foods. Napantayan nila yung pinakamalaki nilang kalamangan noong first quarter. 2:07 to go in the second period. Jerry Cordillera has it against Pochuino. Binigilit kay Ray Evangelista. Lumalapit ng konti. Binigay kay Glenn Capasio. Mispat. Uy, illegal already may offensive foul. Nakita kay Ray Evangelista. Third personal foul on Ray Evangelista. 48-35, 13-point lead by Pure Foods. A minute and 52 to go. Second quarter. Johnny Abarientos. Binigay kay Bong Hawkins against Evangelista. Pumihit si Hawkins. Natapik ang bola. Pero lumabas in favor of Alaska Milk. Samantala si Ray Evangelista, papalitan muna. Nakatatlong personal foul na yan. Pumunta naman sa loob o pumasok naman sa loob si Ruben De La Rosa for the first time this evening. Pochuino. Kay Johnny Abarientos. Hawkins, triple team. Merong foul. Andiyan ka pa kanito?
Oo.
Maganda game.
Napakaganda ng laban.
Nanonood ka?
Kasi marami na nagsasabi, masyado akong talkative eh. Kanya,
Ngayon lang.
nagugulat ka kung hindi ako nagsasalita. No?
Ito naman si Merwin Castelo. Galing sa labas. 3-point shot. Wala. Jerry Cordillera for the rebound. Dito Pumaren. Sumugod. Here's Glenn Capasio. Capasio, pumukol. Off the glass. Wala. Jerry Cordillera. Hindi nakuha mong rebound. Nakuha ni Merwin Castelo. Abarientos into the front court. Hawkins. At tatawag ng foul. Labang kay Ruben De La Rosa.
Well, very obvious na ito si Bong Hawkins sa last 3 trips of Alaska in trying to score. They have been going to Hawkins inside. Nakikita nila na merong konting mismatch. Hawkins going up against Ruben De La Rosa in that situation. Somehow, the height factor has not really brought Alaska into the thick of things.
Alam mo, ganito, marami rin nagtataka. Bagamat down na Pure Foods 0-2 in the series, akalaan mo, ang dami pa rin Pure Foods fans na nandito sa Araneta Coliseum. Nadidinig po rin yung hiyawan ng mga Pure Foods fans. Medyo kinakantsawan si Bong Hawkins. And the loose ball goes to Rodney Santos. And the ball is knocked out of bounds in favor of Pure Foods.
Ano ba, ang feeling kasi ng mga Pure Foods fans that this is a make or break situation for the Hot Dogs. Kanya sila nandito, no? They feel that they have to show support
O,
to their team.
kailangan yan.
Oo, kung matalo pa sila, kung matalo pa ang Pure Foods dito, as we said, no team has ever come back from a 3-0 series deficit to win.
Jerry Cordillera flips. Yes!
Double figures
On
to
the
si
jump.
Jerry Cordillera. Very, very clear. Itong Pure Foods team is a team that is burning. It is on fire, and it is also trying to prove something that they can win without Alvin.
And ganda naman ang give and go. Johnny Abarientos sama misses the shot. Dito Pumaren into the front court. Pure Foods by 15. This is the biggest lead in the game. Jerry Cordillera spotted open by Dito Pumaren. And there is Bedlam here at the Araneta Coliseum. 17 puntos ang kabante ng Pure Foods going to the last few seconds of the second period. Merwin Castelo open for the 3. Kapos. Nakuha ni Capasio. He hangs on to it for a while. Looks at the game clock. Now settled for the 17-point lead. 17 puntos na abante ng Pure Foods. After 24 minutes of play, we told you it was going to be, it's bound to be explosive either way. But friends, stay tuned because we still have a lot more to come on halftime. Right after this break, you'll meet PBA Marketing Manager Ronnie Poe and how the league merchandising has come a long way in the PBA. Abangan po ninyo mga kaibigan.